So, Marty Roberts here with my actual property renovations, and this is so exciting. This is the Welsh Farmhouse. What a project this is going to be. Make sure you like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you also set an alert, one of those dingly things, to let you know when the videos come up, because we are going to be doing updates on this probably every 2 or 3 weeks or so, and I don't think you want to miss it because it's really, really interesting. It's completely different approach to this. This is a historic building, right? So, you know, necessary planning, all that kind of stuff had to be got, you know, listed buildings, all, you know, etc, etc, etc. But we're only doing very sympathetic things and nothing which is at all out of character with the property. And absolutely, I don't need listed buildings people to tell me I can't do that. I wouldn't do it anyway. So yeah, I feel like I'm sort of a custodian of this building. You know, it's been here since 1650, and I'm just you know, passing through in its whole history. It'll be here long after I am. So I'm just, yeah, doing my thing and renovating, which is really, really, really exciting. So let's take a look around and let's see how it's gone. And yeah, you are going to be I think pretty impressed. Right, so let's see. So into the entrance hall, not much changes downstairs actually, but into the kitchen again, not much going on here yet, but the great plans afoot for in here. Just thinking about what we're going to put on the floor. At the moment, I reckon this, it doesn't have any damp proof. I mean, the whole house will not have damp proof course. The floors won't have a damp proof course in it. And I think the secret with this is just to give it, just allow it to be lived in. That's what it was built for. So just give it some opportunity to do that and keep the central heating on. Massive great stone walls. You don't want these to get damp if at all you can help it. We fixed, the first thing we did was fix the leaks in the ceilings. We didn't in the roof. So there was some problems around the chimney stacks that needed new lead work. One of the valleys of the roof needed sorting out. Sorted that out, so at least it can then start to be dry. So not much changes in here, apart from the fact obviously lots of building materials. Brought Waffle the dog with me today. So let's just go through here. Now, actually the builders I've got, great team. I've actually come up from Plymouth, and they're actually camping out, living in here to do the work, but that's absolutely fantastic. One thing we've had done already is I've had the fireplaces opened up, again, to get that breathe in, and we've had these lovely things with wood burners. That's it, wood burners put in already. Probably a bit premature, but whatever. So this room, not a lot of changes in here. So then it starts to get exciting. Come through into here. This, of course, was this horrible room. Long, thin, nothing really massively changed in here yet, other than the fact we've taken out lots and lots of the fixtures and fittings, and you can see the bath and what it's sitting on. So that was sort of put in to provide something for the pipe work and etc. Concrete floor in here, so that had that horrible vinyl stuff on it, the creaky, horrible tiles. That's not that exciting, but well, I love doing this kind of properties because you discover things like this. In here, which is just near the downstairs loo, that floor, look at it. It's actually another granite floor, which is absolutely amazing. This bathroom, of course, big changes here. This wall here is going to actually be taken out, and the bath and the toilet taken out and put into that area there. And then a shower into this corner here, which all works, but that is not the exciting thing. The main thing is just up here, which is just amazing. Another look at that, another set of flagstones, and then into here. Hi guys! Woo! Wow! What about that? Absolutely stunning. The ceiling in here taken out to reveal. Look at this. I can't believe it. It is so spectacular. You see all the original woodwork, and the difference it makes to this room is quite sensational. You really think, Woffs? Look at this. I mean, wow, fantastic. And then through here, there are guys working really hard, and have already got on with putting in the stud partition in here to create a separate bathroom here. And then that is going to be the extra bedroom. So basically putting in this doorway here and through into this, which is the bedroom, blocking off that wall there where there was a cupboard, and using that cupboard space to create an ensuite for the bedroom over that way. So yeah, working hard. Stud partitions, that's exactly what this is, as you can see. That's going in to divide off this wall to create bathroom on one side and bedroom on the other, and then down the corridor. And again, just look at this. Absolutely amazing. Remember, this room had this really low ceiling and it was really sort of horrible, and now look at these beams. Oh my gosh. So this is going to be left like this. We're going to have it so you see the rafters, you see all this. We're going to clean off all these beams and everything. Absolutely stunning. And what we're going to probably do is on these end walls is clean that off, because I think it's not in bad condition, and I think to reveal that stonework is going to be absolutely stunning. So yeah, there's wires everywhere, there's lots of things to do, but the ceiling is gone and my dreams have come true. What's up there is really spectacular. So in here, if you remember, there was a stud partition little room here, but you can see how it was just all built in front of the existing room. And so what we're doing here is you discover it's like a detective job. There was obviously this passageway through here previously, because all the skirting boards and everything are intact. So closing this off to create an area for the ensuite, which will go in this corner here. And yeah, I mean, just fantastic. And to see it progressing like this so quickly, actually, well, once you get going, ripping out is always going to be a lot easier than putting back. But I'm just so buzzed to have unearthed what's here, especially in these bedrooms. I mean, just, you know, just hidden things that were just, you know, there, never seen, basically. And yeah. So it's just a case now of carrying on with the process and getting things rebuilt. Well, what we're going to do is insulate all the ceilings, because that's obviously a big concern of mine. Is obviously it's now a big room, so that means it's potentially going to be quite cold. So we'll make sure we insulate as much as possible. So keeping the end walls natural stone, but the ceilings themselves, fill that with something which is called Celotex, which is like expanded polystyrene, not really foamy stuff that comes in sheets. That'll go in there to create a nice amount of insulation in here. And the house, it says, actually stays, once you've got it warm, these thick walls, it just does a great job of keeping itself warm. So there we are. That is the start of what is just such an exciting project. So we'll come back in a few weeks' time and see how we're getting on. So for now, I hope you enjoyed this. Like it if you did. Set yourself for a little reminder, and like the channel, subscribe obviously, and keep an eye out for the next instalment of my renovation of this truly outstandingly beautiful Welsh farmhouse.